you. And I'll start recording with you. Hi boys and girls, it's me Butch. My name is Terry David Silvercloud. I'm not indigenous in spite of what my name sounds like. I'm 76. I live in Vancouver, BC, and today is the 11th of May 2021. I've been COVID-19 vaccinated for 6 weeks, and I'm queer, and so I don't own a smartphone, and I don't get out, but I do have a profile on a gay meetup dating kind of site, squirt.org. I'm Butch TV, Butch Television. Butch TV, that's me if you're looking for me. I don't expect to meet anybody, and I don't expect much of anybody to be interested in me. A couple of people have asked me, but my standards are really high, and even 76-year-olds can be picky, and I'm picky. But they, in their messages and stuff they put out, I checked my messages, and they had a notice from this Sex Now 2021 about an at-home test yourself for HIV kit, which is free, and free is a good price. So I sent away for it. Came in a plain white wrapper, and inside this is my third take. Keep having crashes. I don't think I have any crashes this time. So I already opened it in one of the other takes, but so what's in here is a membrane unit, whatever that is, a set of instructions which I've had a peek at now, and 1, 2, and I know there's a third little bottle in here. Oops, coming out. There you are. There's a third little bottle, and this one I know is important, and a bandage, so I'm going to, I don't know if I'll worry about that just yet. And the thing that's going to terrify me, which is this, because I'm terrified of having my fingers pricked. I have PTSD issues. I'm on hormone replacement. I get a needle every 12 days, and that doesn't bother me. These days I'm getting it in my shoulders. But I cut myself badly when I was young, and I was stabbed in the hand and in the chest in a fight when I was a doorman years ago at a gay night place in Vancouver, 1973. So let's get on with it. What's in here is this little stabby thing, and I'm going to open this thing up, which looks like it opens right there. Oh yeah, that's it, alright. We're going to take this sucker out. There it is there, and I'm going to place it over here on the flat surface like it says to do. And I guess I don't need that. And the instructions tell me, en français and en anglais. Je ne parle pas français. Je parle anglais. Tells you how to use it in here, and what you're going to do is you're going to use in a well-lit area, open it up, place the device on a flat surface, remove the cap of bottle 1, which I'm going to put over here because I'm such a ditz, I'm going to knock it over. And then we're going to collect the blood. This is the part that's going to scare me. I'm just going to, somehow I'm going to do this. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but if I pass out, don't worry, I'll wake up. You'll see me. It says rub your finger until hand feels warm, and then press the lancet hard against the side of the fingertip. Doesn't really show you which finger. Let me see. I guess they're showing this one up here, this one here, the biggie. Your finger one. I guess that's the one they want me to stab. Oh, this is going to be scary. So what I gotta do is I have to remove the top of this sucker here. It's tight. There you go. and don't spill it. And set it aside. Oops, do you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to wash my hands. Hang on a second. A quick lave des mains, washing of the hands. Sorry, I wasn't prepared for that. I should have been. I'm a ditz. This thing keeps crashing on me. So here we go. Butchie Poo's terrified. I am absolutely terrified of this. I'm going to take this thing off. How do you get that off? Jeez. That's no good. How do I get it off? Twist and pull off. So it has it this way. So twist and pull. Oh, there we go. Where's the lancet? Oh, I see, the lancet is in here. Alright. So I've got that off. And what I want to do, oh, I see, they're very tricky. That's very neat of them. Rub my finger and hand until warm. Get it good and dry here. Rub it until it's good and warm. I don't know if it's warm or not. There's alternate ways to collect blood. This is more for diabetes where sugar level measurement is critical. So it says, geez, these diagrams are a little weird. Okay, I see. Press this against the side of my hand. Press hard against the side. Here we go. Oops. Oh, that's not too bad. It's not too bad. It does hurt, but you know. So what am I going to do next? Rub the finger to create a drop of blood. Okay, okay. I got a drop of blood. See, I got a drop of blood here. And I'm going to drop that into this bottle here I want a good drop of blood. Get myself a big sucker here, I hope. I think I got it. And I'm going to try to get it to drop in here. Oh giddy, I got a drop of blood in there. I did it. I got a drop of blood in there. Now I got to put this thing back on and shake the sucker. I hope that was enough blood. It turned red. We're going to shake 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, 7, 8. And now I'm going to pour it into this little sucker here. Oh, it's red, so I think we're doing the right thing. I'm going to pour it into here. And it went in there okay. Still bleeding. He's still bleeding. Oh, damn it, my camera's crashed. I gotta stop. Damn it. Fucking damn thing. And I think I'm going to be able to fix this in an edit, I hope so. So what I've done is I collected the drop of blood and I've poured it into the thing from the vial 1. Now I've got to take vial 2, shake 4 times, and then pour that into this thing here and wait till all the liquid disappears. Why isn't it coming out? Why is the liquid not coming out? Well, there it is. It's a law of physics. You can hold water in a glass upside down because water doesn't weigh as much as air pressure. So I poured bottle 2 in there and can still feel my finger. Anyhow, if I can do it, you can do it. I am I slashed my fingers open with a broken Christmas ornament when I was very young. So that's why I have PTSD issues. So after you've done that, 3, I need bottle 3. Shake that several times. Bottle 3, here we go, bottle 3. And we're going to pour that in, and because all the blue liquid has disappeared. And we poured bottle 3 in, and now we're going to wait. And what I'm going to be looking for, if only the control dot appears, your test is negative. So if I don't see nothing, if I don't see anything else, I'm not sure. Oh, I see. You're supposed to look in the center there. You'll get it. There's another camera running there, maybe. I'm running cameras separately, hoping I can fix all this stuff in edits. So I'm waiting for my results, and I don't think I'm seeing anything. Oh, I see. If it didn't appear, your test did not work. Gee, maybe it didn't work. Gee, I didn't even get a control dot. So I guess that means it didn't work for me. That's kind of a shame, considering I stabbed myself to do this. So I have not got, in the center here, you're supposed to get a dot where you poured all the stuff, and I got nothing. So and it means I did something incorrectly. Well, anyhow, it wasn't a total waste of time, because the test is free, and for all of you people who might be shy about these kind of things, in British Columbia, HIV testing is free, and I think it's free just about anywhere. And there's lots of sex lines and information lines. My nose is clogged up. My stuff I take for painkillers sometimes causes that to happen. Bad timing. There are ways to get anonymous testing, but for those of you who really want to do it at home, I'm really disappointed that I didn't get a result. I guess my drop of blood wasn't big enough or something. I expected to be negative anyway. I had sex with my boyfriend. I live with my boyfriend who died 27 years ago from AIDS complication. We were mostly oral, and we had sex every day orally, pretty much. We took turns who went first, but basically we didn't go to sleep until both of us had been pleasured, unless we were sick or tired or something. So thousands and thousands of times, and I don't know when he became positive. And I know for sure I asked him. Anal sex wasn't part of our routine, but one time I just really wanted him to pork me. A couple times, and he did, and in hindsight I know he was positive then. I have an assumption, even though I've not been tested for the Delta 32 mutation and the CCR5 thingammy, I might have some immunity. I don't know if immunity means you can be a carrier or not, but I'm really disappointed I didn't get anything. Gee, that's a drag. You got nothing. Huh. What if I pour more stuff in here, if it'll help? More blood, more blood. Oh well. That's disappointing. So I've gone on and on and on. The main point of all this was to encourage you to get tested for HIV, everybody, and it can be free, and The people doing that are Sex Now 2021, and you can see the CBRC, the CB Charlie Bravo Romeo Charlie, brought to you by that. They will send you one of these things for free, and I don't know what else to tell you. I don't want to go on forever, and I do go on forever. I'm going to edit this. I hope to put it together, because I did it and just to advertise this whole free thing and encourage you to be tested for HIV. So that's it from Butch. Bye-bye. Hi, boys and girls.